Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a little video of an Audi TT. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX7525DABS into this using an AVC fitting kit. So you can see here it looks really nice. Currently we've got Apple CarPlay up on view. We have got a home button here that takes you to the main menu here, which gives you all these facilities. There we are. So you've actually got digital radio, you've got Android Auto and CarPlay, also got FM radio. If I go back onto the CarPlay there we are. So you've got all your maps and stuff all on the screen, which is a real nice upgrade to the factory unit. This also is operated, the steering wheel controls still work. If you'd like to have this done in your Audi TT, please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.